In a complex modern environment, when everyone relies on revolutionary solutions, we think back asking, how our world turned out to be like this? People's sustainability has relied on knowledge turnover. When the turnover is low, the innovation is slow. When fresh knowledge comes, new adaptation takes over. A shift that is instant, fast, and controllable. The advancement of technology was seen to be dominating every individual's life, including you. Yes, you. From newly designed digital computers to tablets to smart mobile phones, every movement comes at a click of a button. You order your favorite burger online and in just 10 minutes, voila! See? The power of technology is just awesome. It makes our daily lives fast and getting more and more convenient. Have you ever thought of having a business similar to the one where you bought your burger? You're sure they're making tons of money each day. Imagine yourself running your own business using the latest technology to cater to your customers. Sounds interesting, right? You think it's impossible? Well, you're wrong. If you have the guts to do it, then you better act now. The new economy is here to help you create that success. When planning to start an online business, you will need to have a guide that matches your niche. Be sure to make a perfect pick by learning the value of digital business models designed to deliver success to every business. This book brings you ultimate strategies in starting a business that rocks. You don't have to put too much effort forward when you know you deserve something better, something brighter, and something that lets you earn more than you could imagine. This book brings an online business system that initiates resolution with struggling businesses. So many competitions, so many business rivals. You lose hope and motivation. What should you do? You're not even sure what business to build. No fret. The new economy will help you find the right business with the right tools. Don't worry that you're too late to rank on top. The only solution is to properly find the best online niche that will make you an instant millionaire. A niche that will not only be accessible on desktop or laptops, but to tablets and smartphones as well. You'll have more flexibility in targeting your audiences. Transformation, adaptation of the system, application of technology. These elements are the proven keys in a successful online business. Our business system is all you need to help build a profitable one, faster than you could imagine. That's tested and proven. No huge investment? No problem. You don't need such a big amount of money to start getting your online dream business. All you need to have is a genuine dedication to using the business system in this book. No technical knowledge? No worries. Just basic computer skill is all you need to keep achieving your goals to becoming a millionaire. All methods explained in this book constitute a proven business system. Let yourself live your passion while earning millions of dollars. Those bulky amounts in your bank account, they're never going to make you happy without freedom. Fulfill the life that you've wanted. Do something that makes you proud. Get some inspiration. Make your destiny as you deserve. Order now. The new